Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Balkis bint Yusuf. So firstly, I will be talking about method for plaque assay. The meaning for plaque assay is a method to determine virus concentration in terms of infectious dose. So what sample is used for this method? So we come it from nasal swabs that is collected from patients with respiratory symptoms. The preparation for this technique require virolytic cells that is commonly used cell line for SARS-CoV-2 will be cultured in a monolayer in a 6-well plate. Next, add a virus stock which is from nasal swabs to well 1 and serially dilute. Repeat the same step with another well and so on. Change tips between each dilution and mix well by pipetting up and down several times. This is to make sure that there is nothing left in the tip. So after 1 hour, remove the pre-prepared plates with cell from incubator and label them with 10 power of -1, -2 and so on. Next, we need to remove and discard old media from well 1 while tightening the plates. Inoculate the first virus dilution to well 1 of cell monolayer. After that, tilt the plate gently in all directions. Repeat for every well. Incubate at room temperature for 1 hour but tilt them every 15 minutes. After 1 hour, add agarose solution to all wells, then label and place them in incubator for 7 days. For visualization of plaque, wash everything and stain the cell with crystal violet for 1 minute, and then rinse with tap of water. So the plaque can be observed and determined by using formula of plaque, which is equal to number of plaque times dilution factors times volume factors. The unit is in PFU per ml.
The principle behind the technique of the plaque assay. First is virus isolation, where the virus is mixed with the host cells, and you can see that the virus will infect the cell and cause the cells to lysis. Second is the plaque formation. The viral particle will spread and infect the neighboring cells and cause the production of the visible plaque. Number of plaque equal to the number of 2 infection particles. Third is the plaque counting. By counting number of plaque, we can calculate the virus concentration using the formula.
Next, I will tell about the expected positive result. As you know, plaque assay is a method measures the number of infectious SARS-CoV-2 particles by counting the plaques formed in the cell culture after the virus sample are diluted. For example, the picture I paste, the plate with the 10 power of 6 dilution looks like the negative control, so it has no SARS-CoV-2 plaques. And the plate with the 10 power of 5 and 10 power of 3 dilution have 2 and more than 100 plaques. But they won't be used for calculation because they are outside the useful of range. And lastly, the plate with the 10 power of 4 dilution has 21 plaques, and this will be used to calculate the virus titer. And the formula will be the plaque count multiplied with the dilution factor multiplied with the volume factors, and you can get the answer in the unit, which is the PFU over the ml.
Next, we move on to the advantages of plaque assay. Firstly, plaque assay gives a direct assessment of infectivity. Unlike some molecular assay that detect viral RNA, plaque assay directly measures the presence of infectious virus, which can provide a clearer picture of virus ability to cause infection. Next, plaque assay also provides a detailed analysis of virus spread, which is plaque assay are generally sensitive and specific. It's capable to detect low level of infectious virus, which is important for an accurate quantifying viral load. The last point, plaque assay shows an assessment of viral mutant, which means plaque assay can be useful for evaluating the phenotypic effect of viral mutation, such as change in virulence or transmissibility. It is particularly relevant for understanding different strain or variant of SARS-CoV-2.
However, there are several limitations to the plaque assay, particularly when applied to SARS-CoV-2. Firstly, the assay requires a biosafety level 3 laboratory due to the infectious nature of the virus, which may not be available in all facilities. Additionally, the morphology of SARS-CoV-2 plaque can be different, hence complicating the process of accurately determining the virus concentration. Moreover, the assay is time-consuming, taking 3 to 5 days for plaques to form, thus delaying the results. Finally, while effective in quantifying infectious virus, the plaque assay may be less sensitive than RT-PCR, particularly for samples with low viral loads, potentially leading to false negatives.
I think that's all from us. Thank you.